Greetings! My name is Sonia Dave. I am 35 years old and I grew up in North Carolina and the United States. I am deeply passionate about a world I've served for our country. My philosophy and teaching is being a teacher, and that's through music. So I hope you enjoy. No, we ain't feeling that one. We ain't feeling that one. I need a little quicker. Little quicker, guys. Come on now. Let me put freestyle in. Maybe. Just maybe. Sagittarius and Jody. We might get one. This is 13 million. What? Okay, let me feel it. Wait a minute now. Why do they have to do? Are they gonna sing on here? Maybe I could do it slower. Let's see. Yeah, I like the beat. Yeah, well, it's not the one I was gonna do, but here we go. Hey, my whole difficult, but the real coat. You see me struggle, but you won't see me fall. No, regardless, I stand up real tall. I stand up tall, I stand up strong. I stand up for all of y'all. Yep, I got some hidden flaws, strength and hidden flaws. Still I am who I am, gonna stand up real tall. I don't blend and I can't please them all. Nope, and I won't try, don't try, nope, not at all. I remember when we met, too dumb to see the threat. My thoughts are strangers, see that stranger, don't know how to act, I'm speaking facts. I'm at ease, that means I'm free, there's no other one like me. Why don't you love us, just let me be, let me breathe. I won the battle, got the scars, I can prove it to you. Don't be foolish, you see me, do. You can't take my life like you stolen all of my years. No longer will I cry so many painful tears. This makes me so unique in a usual physique. No longer will you take from me, that's right, take my control over me. Sometimes I wonder how I feel about you, but I felt I lost my life, so I'ma shine at you. Hey, numb me from the pain, nothing to gain. Brought darkness to my life, that's even a thing. That's even a thing. Scared of these feelings because it's still new. Glory be to God who knew within I make it through. Amen. Glory be to God who knew within my. Okay, I did freestyle. Okay, my bad. Y'all got it though, right? Hey, that beat's dope. Dang. Let me see if I can do the other song. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm feeling it. Okay. Come on now. Okay, this phone is, oh no, don't do that. I'm over here feeling myself. What's up, Wayne? Okay, now I'm gonna do the other song I wrote. Okay, I'm gonna do the other song. Y'all ready? Let me see if I can do it. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I need an upper hyper. I'm gonna slow it down. Ready? You don't know me. You think can't do that. Nope, it ain't gonna work. But I like the other one. Hey, you shred my hoe. Difficult, but I will cope. You see my struggle, but you won't see me. Oh no. Regardless, I stand up real tall. I stand up tall, I stand up strong, I stand up for all of y'all. Yep, I got some strength, I got some hidden flaws. Yep, still I am who I am, gonna stand up real tall. I don't blend and I can't please them all. Nope, and I won't try, don't try, nope, not at all. I remember when we met, too dumb to see the threat. My thoughts are strangers, see that danger, don't know how to act, I'm speaking facts. I'm at ease, that means I'm free. There's no one the one like me. Why don't you love us? Just let me be, just let me breathe. When the battle got the scars, I can prove it to you. You see me, do it. You can't take my life like you stolen all of my years. No longer will I cry so many painful shit. This makes me so unique and unusual physique. No longer will you take from me. That's right, take my control over me. Sometimes I wonder how I feel about you, but I felt I lost my life, so I'ma shine it at you. Numb me from the pain, nothing to gain. Brought darkness to my life, that's even a thing. Even a thing. Scared of these feelings because it's still new. Glory be to God who knew with him I'll make it through. Scared of these feelings because it's still new. Glory be to God who knew with them I'll make it through. Hey. Dang, no wonder I got 13 million views. Okay, let's see if I can do the other song I got. Thank you, Sagittarius, and everybody in the broadcast. Oh, that was a great timing. Yep.
Hey, what's going on? If you are an artist right now looking for beats, I want to send you 10.
Oh, look at you nosy individuals. When have you ever asked me to do beats? Oh, yeah, it's because I typed in beats. We're going to have to try something else. Let's listen up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they got middle finger on the bomb. Let's see. No, I need something quick. Let me type in. Oh gosh, they typed in fast. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, 21 million? It says 21 million. 21 million. Hey, here's a beat. You don't know me, you think the smile on my face is real. I hate to break it to you, player, but tell you that's not the deal. Take away your misguided assumptions and leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I could fit in your comfort zone. You don't know me, you don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know the way I walk, the way I lie, the way I talk, the way I dream, the way I sing, the way I feel, the way I feel. When things is real. And what it's like for me to hating the things I refuse to feel. You think you know me, but you better think again. And if you don't believe me, history like I call up a friend. Take away your misguided assumptions and leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I can fit in your comfort zone. You don't. Damn, I was into it, wasn't I? Damn, I'm gonna have to start over. Y'all, I don't know how to come off the top. From what I remember, because I got to sing the whole song again. Well, it's okay, it's practice. Welcome to the broadcast, everybody. Hey, and I haven't sung this song in like months. So it's dope to try to not freestyle. I don't know what you call what I'm doing. What's up, everybody? I know when a beat about to drop. You don't know me. You think the smile on my face is real. I hate to break it to you, player, but tell you that's not the deal. Take away your misguided assumptions and leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I can fit in your comfort zone. You don't know, you don't know, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know the way I walk, the way I lie, the way I talk, the way I move, the way I sing, the way I dream, the way I feel. When things is real. And what it's like for me to hate and the things I refuse to feel. You think you know me, but you better think again. And if you don't believe me, history like I call up a friend. Take away your misguided assumptions and leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I can fit in your comfort zone. You don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me, you don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You think you know the reasons why I can't express myself. Oh well, that sounds like a you problem. Take your conscience to someone else. Understood or not, it makes me no difference. It's just an interference, I'm not your preference. Don't need your reference, take away your misguided. That's something to leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I got fit in your comfort zone. You don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me, I live in, I think, on many levels. I'm happy with who I am and I'm feeling free like I had never. You don't know the things I hold inside, holding back the things I wanna say, and it has nothing to do with my pride. Take away your misguided assumption, leave me alone. And do not try to make me feel like I could fit in your comfort zone. You don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me, you don't know me, you don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. You don't know me. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. Ay. Think you know me, but you don't know who I am. Yup. Damn, 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 damn. You think you know me, but you don't know who I am. Yup. That's a dope beat. Got to. Yo, thank you for the comments. Which is at? Oh gosh, y'all, I'm gonna have to lay it down, okay? Gotta lay it down, down. Listen, my day ones, Sagittarius, Jodie, and everybody else in the broadcast that chilled with your girl. Guess what? You're gonna be blessed abundantly because you made me feel great tonight. I wish and pray the same for you, honeys. But as always, I love you from a distance. I gotta go, y'all. All right, I'll see you in the next broadcast. Until then, bye.